it's Storm and I'm back with another how-to tutorial. So this is actually the final result. If you guys like it, like and subscribe and comment below. Stay tuned for more videos. So y'all know I'm cheap. This is the cheap stuff we use, some jam. I didn't use the sulfur actually, just the jam. And this is the Bobbi Boss, cheaply. And right here I'm just stretching it. So if you guys don't know how to stretch it, this is just a quick prep to sum it up. This is how I prep. I stretch it. See how I flipped it right there? I don't know if you guys seen that. If you didn't, just take it back. But yeah, I actually flip it so it's even on both sides. Not only do I stretch, I split it in half and flip it. And right here, we're just trying to hurry up. You get the idea though. Make sure you don't set it crooked, like you set it directly on top of the rest of the hair you pre-stretched. Okay, so now you see me put in the jam on each part to section it. And from there, I will actually start to braid that middle braid. So it's easier to just do the braids on the left and the right side. And I locked the braids. I will do another tutorial on how to lock the ends for, I don't know, fox locks look, whatever you guys want to do. Some people just lock them to lock them. I don't. But yeah. And now I'm just braiding little baby up. Oh. Okay, so now I'm just braiding her hair, of course. I check the parts. Each part I make, I split it open to make sure the part is even. That whole row is even. And then I stop 20% left of her head to do the front because we need the front on point. You know, people can't see the middle. We can see that front though, honey. And yeah, I actually had to stop this video because she wanted a middle part and I put 3 in her front piece. So yeah. Okay, so this is last couple of braids. Your hot water should be on your stove. I'm braiding with jam to protect my fingers and my follicles and also to keep her hair in the braid. And this is it after being dipped. Okay, baby, period. Bars, baby girl. And this is the finished result after being dipped and cut. I hope you guys like it. If so, like and subscribe.